Hey, my only subscriber, what's up? It's me again. Yeah. So, can you put out some more animes, please? And I'd like to say thank you for subscribing to me. It's really great that you do that. So, what I've been meaning to say is, well, please put out, animes with cat girls because those I like, and I just like animes in person. I'm a really big anime fan, but I don't have a computer, and so I can't really watch any of my own. So I had to watch it on my phone. My little old LG phone, but I'm fine with that because, well, I used to be just a normal kid that used to not get very good grades, but now I'm up in a limit where I'm actually getting good grades, and I have my own YouTube channel, and I'm being more responsible as a 10-year-old, which YouTube has something to share with you. It's a word that I learned off an anime musical, Origato, which I think that's a really fun word to say. Origato, you know what I mean? It's really fun to say and all, but come on. It gets very irritating to say that because, well, life. You cannot do anything about it. I just want to say thank you again for subscribing. I think it was really great that you did that. My first subscriber, and I know that I subbed back to you. I know that I subbed to you and all of it. Thank you for subbing back. I really like that. So this is Jacob Woodbury here, and tell me what names I should come up for my channel, like new names, and tell me what pictures I should put up so I just don't look like a blue head face man. So arigato. JCK out. That's gonna be my new YouTube name.